Hey, this is Jack at TC3. Today we're going to replace a hood lift support on a Chevrolet Malibu 2008 through 12. When you lift this hood up, it's getting a little weak. Like if you put it all the way up, it'll kind of hold, but it's supposed to push it up and hold it up, and this one's just weak. Alright, I'm going to just get a little stick or something to support that hood that's not going to depend on that lift support. And so we got our new lift. Got it from Rock Auto Parts, where I pretty much order all my stuff. And so to get the old one off, you put a screwdriver under this clip, just pull it up. Don't worry about bending it. The new one has new clips, so you don't need to worry about that. And on the new one, you're just going to put your, like a screwdriver under here and just slide it up and kind of away from where it was seated so that it can go on to the joint that's like a ball right there, like that. That's off of the hood. Now you make sure that sticks good and firm. This hood will come down and hit you. And then also on the body you're going to do the same thing. You pull that clip off and just pull her off. And on the new lift support, you're just gonna again move the retaining clip out, and that's what will clamp against the bolt to hold it on to make sure it doesn't come back off. Kind of locks it on there so that it snaps on like that. Then you're just gonna slide this up into place. Sometimes it'll slide, most of the time you need a tool, some pliers, needle nose, flathead screwdriver, whatever. We'll get that thing slid over, and when it snaps into the place, it needs to be totally seated like that, and that's on there. You're going to do the same thing on the hood. In retrospect, I would have done the hood side first on this particular vehicle, because that angle is severe. So you're going to knock that clip down, and it's not going to seat all the way, and it is not locked on there. That will come loose from that ball right now. So, little trick here to get that to seat right. Okay, so hold on to that and hold on to the hood, and if you put it down like that, it'll be a little less severe angle. I don't know if you can hear that click or not, but that clamp will clamp all the way shut onto that ball now and lock it in there. As you can see, that clip is all the way seated now. It's not like loose floating around. It's probably easier to do that side first in retrospect, but yeah, this is how it's supposed to act. So anyway, pretty quick and simple operation, and yeah, thank you for watching.